Hello guys, my name is Jose from Jaco Agency, and today I'm going to show you how to build a simple agent that can send messages, create events in Google Calendar, take names from the contacts in a personalized DB or database. In this case, I use Google Sheets. So yeah, you can customize this agent as you like. So first of all, we're gonna test this. So I'm gonna say to my agent that create an event for tomorrow at 3 p.m. with Jane to grab a coffee. So it's gonna take the contacts from the contact DB table and it's gonna create the event. Yeah, so let's see. Yeah, we have it. 3 p.m. Coffee with Jane. Perfect. So the way it works, and also send an email to Jane to about about soccer. And you can also send emails. But the point of this is that you can customize this with any tool. You just have to add the necessary tool. So yeah, making agents nowadays in n8n is simpler than before with a new feature that n8n added. So we're gonna build this step by step so you can build your own agent. In this case, you have to put a trigger that is when chat message received and add an AI agent model. I use connected chat trigger node. So it's gonna is gonna be dragging. You have to drag the chat input to this. So it's just the information that you're sending to the AI agent, and in this case, you're a helpful assistant before creating events or sending emails. Get contact information from the contacts tool. In this case, before doing anything, you're gonna have to uh, see the contacts in your GB in your Google Sheets. So in this case, I'm just taking all the contacts from the DB, and you have to specify the current date time. In this case, I put now, so the agent knows what time it is, and what day you are. After that, you're gonna you can select a OpenAI model. I select a OpenAI, but you can select any model that you would like. In this case, GPT-4 Mini works well, and after that, you have to connect with your credentials of Gmail, and the operation is going to be sent. And here is the fun part because the subject, the message, you can just define automatically by the model. In this case, if you can just click this button, and yeah, the email type is going to be text. And if you want to sign off like the emails from of a specific name, you just have to output it in the description. And also you can omit the n8n attribution. So in this case, the way I did this is you have to put I think it's okay. I'm gonna add option, append n8n attribution, and you're gonna untoggle this. It's as simple as that. Okay, so the create event is the same thing. Basically, it seems the same thing. You have to connect your credentials, set automatically. The resource is going to be event operation create. You just have to select your calendar, and the start and the end date is going to be the same. Just you have to click this button, and it's going to be defined automatically by the model. So yeah, you can add attendees, the summary, and you can add any other fields that you would like. Perfect. So the contacts DB table is going to be the sheet account. In this case, I use the DB for contact emails. Get rows from this name, and it's gonna grab or read all the information that you have in your contacts Google Sheet. So you can also, because I asked the model to send an email to Jane, because it's reading all the table. It knows that the email is Jane that though. So yeah, it's straightforward. And basically that's all. I hope you like the video. If you like this template, I will put the template into my community. Down below I'll put the description of the community. Make sure to sign up, and you will be accessing all the templates that I have there. And please comment if you like this video. If you have any idea that you are thinking of doing, or how to make something, please let me know. I will do it very, very gladly. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.